Hello everyone, welcome to VBridge. So this is the video regarding for the future of electric vehicles, innovations, infrastructure, and also related to the business activities. So the total contents is divided in a perspective like it is. We will deal with all the things like which is related to the business perspectives and also like it is wherever the technical contributions can able also done. So these are all the perspectives like in case of the charging infrastructure, manufacturing and components, software and technology solutions, EV maintenance and services, EV rentals, subscription models, renewable energy and smart solutions, and also EV based logisticals and deliveries. So however, we discuss in each and every step like how it is related. So when it comes to the EV charging infrastructure, so we have a different type of charging infrastructure. So there, it's in that we have like it as a public charging stations, mobile charging services, and also solar charging stations, and also battery swapped charging stations. So in this, there are certain pros and cons are there in each and every charging station. Like for example, public charging stations are there. So we have a like there is a place like it as a whether it can be a DC charging station or AC charging station. That is a different story. So there are some pros and cons which is related to the investment of money and also the space requirement and how many charging fleets, that means how many vehicles can able to accommodate. So these things are there. So it is related to public charging station. When it comes to the mobile charging service, you already know in every part of the nowadays in every public places like related to like railway stations, bus stands, each and every places, and also the airports. So we have the mobile charging service. So these are also one place like a small fleet, even some at the some simple like hotel places or each and every places also. We are also having the like 2 to 3 fleets are will be there. Like it will be like chargings with the single phase chargers, so not for the 3 phase chargers or fast chargers. And next one is the solar charging station. These are the different type of charging stations. It is not completely related on the grid. So these are related in the solar energy. So that means the charging stations are will be powered some of the power from the solar energy. So that solar energy will be getting from the solar panels, which will be placed on top of the charging stations. So another thing is battery swapping. So this battery swapping is something like that. It is a very fast thing in the charging infrastructure, because when you are in the public charging stations or mobile charging services or solar charging stations, we need to hold some time, even though it is a fast charging station. So we need to hold for at least nearly 15 minutes. So but the battery swapping, it is not something related like that. We can need to go and replace our batteries with a replaceable batteries, like whatever that type of batteries are there. So we can pay and we can put it the new battery which is already filled, and also we need to replace the things. So these are the charging infrastructures where any people can able to play by getting the contracts from the governments or anything, permissions from the governments. So public charging stations, already many people are doing mobile charging stations, many people are doing solar charging stations. uh, Recently it is going to starting battery swapping is available in the Delhi, Bangalore, and any some other places. So it is a very good thing which can able to with a less infrastructure and also more things able to can done, because battery swapping stations will not occupy much space. It can able to just go and pay the money and take the battery, and you can dump the battery another which is empty battery. So that is where you can able to make more money with a less space of things compared to the remaining things. And the next thing is related to EV manufacturing and components. Many people think like it is only it is related to charging infrastructure. No, or only it is related to only vehicle companies. No, so it is there is something like it as we can able to do for the two wheelers also. There are many electrical companies other like electric and battery and e-tech and voltech. So many companies are there. So there are can able to do only at their part and play of their infrastructure or money based things. So there are some other things are there, like there are some people are there who are able to transfer the normal IC engine vehicles to the EV vehicles by converting their by utilizing their retrofitting kits or something like that. So they can, that is also one part of the business which can able to do by the even MSME companies. Not for, I'm not saying it is the big companies, MSME companies also you can able to do. Next one is about the EV spare parts. You can easily get the dealership as how you are getting as the normal IC engine based like normal EV normal vehicles. In the same way, you can able to get the dealership from these EV spare companies also. So they will give you the spare parts. So it can able to make the service places to be more effective and more utilization. Next one is about the battery manufacturing. This battery manufacturing in India we can able to make more effective, like Amar Raja is there and also Amaron is there. So these type of battery companies, very limited companies are there, so you can make a big emerge when you are having a good infrastructure and good accommodations. Next one is about the battery recycling. It is recycling, more than recycling, you can able to make a little bit of different compositions, or when you are dealing with the recycling business, then it is a good one for you, so you can make it a good business with respect to battery recycling. And next thing is, if people are who are related to the technical services, like the technical knowledge, they want to contribute, they want to do something for the EV growth, means they can able to make it something like it in the software and technological solution. How exactly it will done means, so for example, there are multiple many people are there, EV vehicles are there, but they want to check for the where it is the where I can go and get the direct charging, which without having any waiting services, means then they can able to get only at the fleet management. So that fleet management will be there. So that can be done through this place. So people can able to connect with the navigation, and also it can inculcate in the navigation. So there people can identify like it as a yes, in this place I can able to get the low no fleets are there, so I can get a direct charging plug. So or if any only one vehicle is there which can able to get a full battery in 6 minutes, so that can able to done. And also like a charging the same way how the fleet is managed, in the same way the charging station locator also can able to done. And battery monitoring is, which is related to the BMS based people are there, so they can able to make more things like how effectively you can give all the things like let's say what are all the voltages, currents, or SOC, DOD, something is there, how much battery with a perspective like it is any person who not have that much of knowledge also they can able to understand. That way you need to give the things. And next one is the vehicle to grid solutions. That means vehicle to grid, they can pass the things, but with where the software will plays a major role, because how much we are giving the total power to grid, and how what is the money, what is the rate, and each and everything we can able to calculate. That can be done through this one only. So based on using the technology and software solutions. Next one is about the EV maintenance and services. When it comes to the EV maintenance and services, what will happen is, so this is a very crucial one where many EV companies are lacking to provide their services, and also where many people are thinking like, can I get a service or not, or can I get the maintenance people thing companies or not. So these are many things people are thinking. So and also that can be done very easily, because when it compared to the IC engines, EV charging services or EV maintenance services are very easy, because there is no much things which is related to the mechanical aspect. It is only like the wiring problems maybe will be there, or battery charging issues maybe will be there, or motor issues only will be there. Mostly these are the 3 or 4 issues only will be there. So people are thinking like it as a due to the things which are exploded in recent days, like recent years, like yeah, battery blasts and each and everything. So people are very scared about doing the technical services. But if you know about this thing, you can able to train easily within a week by many companies are there who can who are providing the technical training in each and everything. Specialized workshops are conducting by the many IITs and NITs, and some private universities are also there, so they are conducting, or also some other private companies also conducting their own workshops like ISIE, or like Electricia, something. Many companies are their company doing this. And also the financial solutions. These are also way we can able to do services sector also. Who are into service sector, they want to make into enter into the service sector, they can do with this one. EV rental and subscription models. So these are a different way, like you can able to like how the like rental business is happening in like like any places like that, Goa or something places. So they can able to get the bike rides so easily. So when it compares to that one, you can able to easily get the bike rides, because bike rides will not go that much of nearly 100 kilometers or 150 kilometers on that part of time. So you can easily get that business with a very low cost of the things. You can get good ways. And also tourist rentals, if you are having a good car, means it are like nearly 300 to 400 kilometers you can get. So that is the mostly per day tourist companies also will able to only give the only that much of range. So you can able to easily get per one charge itself, you can able to get that one. And also daily commute rentals, means it is a like whatever the delivery companies, these are all the things will be there, or daily transport persons will be there. So you can able to use uh, connect with that one to contribute to the this ecosystem. And also EV subscription, there are some subscription models are there, so you can able to use for that things also there. And the next one is the renewable energy and smart solutions, because it is also a different thing, call it as a EV chargings with renewable. As I already said, in the charging station itself, having the solar charging stations are there. It is a part of this renewable energy. So you can able to use this renewable sources to charge the EV without having a burden on the grid. And also you can able to use the renewable energies to make more eco-friendly solutions for this one, not depending upon the AI. And also AI-driven charging networks means there are which where we can able to use this renewable energies and smart solutions, and how we can able to make more effective usage, more reliability, and more efficiently how we can use where we can use this AI or any other smart solutions are there, we can use that. Next thing is nowadays recently many logistical companies like food delivery companies and also like delivery companies, so these people are using like it as a they want to use EVs to reduce their burden of this petrol consumption in each and everything, so they can able to reduce the whatever the delivery cost will be there. So they are using recently in the Shark Tank, or many people also they are using this, they are encouraging this, and they are using in this last mile technologies, and also like the quick commerce, e-commerce, each and everything they are using. So there you can able to use very effectively these things. So this way we can able to use. And for more videos related to anything, or if you want to give us anything, any idea or to speak on, so we will guide you. Or if we can't able to guide means we will get the resource persons who can able to guide the things. So you can follow us in our Instagram, in our YouTube channel. So thank you.